crossing right there.
Sorry, mate.
Didn't even look. Didn't even look. Personally, I prefer to look before I cross the road. There's a zombie in the road. There is a zombie in the road. Perfectly good footpath on either side, but the zombie is in the road. See how? It's a crossing right there. She's gonna look. Nope, just gonna walk straight into the road. Zombie alert. Zombie alert. There's a zombie in the road. There is a zombie in the road. Always is. Zombie alert. There's a crossing right there. There is a zombie in the road. And a zombie in the road. Didn't even notice. And of course, a whole load of pedestrians that don't even bother to look before crossing against the lights. Another fucking idiot. Zombie alert. Zombie alert. Oh, come on. You're going to cross against the lights, at least look where you're going. Zombies. Zombies in the road. There are zombies in the road. Another zombie in the road. Perfectly good footpath there and there, but prefers to wander around in the road. Zombie alerts. Walking out of the vehicle entrance rather than pedestrian exit does seem a bit strange. There's a zombie in the road. There is a zombie in the road.
Hey, extra.
And another horde of zombies that don't understand how a crossing works. Oh, bloody hell, wait till the lights change.